Today's video was supposed to be about raised beds, gardens, and starting your own raised bed, but the wind got in the way. So instead, I decided to take a drive and check it out and see what it was all about. I'm glad I did because I saw some pretty cool things. Not to film the wind and came across these bald eagles out in the field. I don't know what they're feeding on, but pretty cool. He's got something he's eating. That's where I live, back there. I think I'm gonna have a little dust in my house. At my house. So on a day like this, when it's windy outside, I can't really get out and enjoy the outdoors. I cozy in and do one of my other hobbies, and that's painting. I like to oil paint. I mentioned that earlier, and I'm going to do some touch up on this painting I'm working on. I decided it needs a little more contrast. So I'm going to get on that today and just enjoy the indoors and relax, cozy in. I'm retired. I can do that. Come on. I know this is a little different video, but it's just it's what I decided to do today. Charlie's all frisky. I think this breeze has got him. The birds keep coming to the feeders, and well, he likes gathering sticks. He's coming with a stick. He likes to grab a stick and then jump on my lap. That's a big stick, Charlie. Come on, bring it here. Get your stick. Get your stick. We'll show it off. Come on. Bring it here. Come on. Get your stick. Oh. It was too big to get past the tripod. Come here, come on, Charlie. Come on. All right. He's a little fire plug. Well, if this video makes it into production, if I decide to do it, I hope you enjoyed it. It was just a spur of the moment thing. Take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye.